loud, guys, be loud.
Good morning, Wildcats, and welcome to Thursday, December 10th, 2020. And today we are wearing our white or our snow or whatever, so that's why I played the Marshmallow World for you. Today I have three pleasures from Mr. Baca's class, and their names are.
Annabella.
If you could please stand, place your hand over your heart and join Eduardo, Aiden, and Annabella as we do our pledges.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for
Which it stands, one nation, under God.
one indivisible, liberty and justice for all.
And now our Texas pledge.
Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God and one indivisible.
Y ahora la bandera de los Estados Unidos.
Jura
Para la bandera de los Estados Unidos,
América,
que representa una nación ante Dios.
indivisible, con libertad y justicia para todos. Y ahora la bandera de Texas. Honro la bandera de Texas.
Prometo
Fidelidad a ti.
Texas,
una estado bajo
Dios visible.
Would you please remain standing for a moment of silence? Thank you. You may be seated. Every student here at Golden Acres Elementary School has the right to feel safe, loved, and respected, be it at home, on the bus, or during your school day. If there is anyone at school, at home, or on the bus that makes you feel unsafe, unloved, or disrespected, please do not hesitate to tell a trusted adult in your life and let them know how you feel. All right, friends, we are still on No Place for Hate School, so we're going to go ahead and go over our pledge every day, and then you'll start to see more No Place for Hate things each and every day. So if you could, please repeat after me. I promise to do my best to treat everyone fairly. I promise to do my best to be kind. If I see someone being hurt or bullied, I will tell a teacher.
If I see someone being hurt or bullied, I will tell the teacher.
I will help others feel safe.
I will help others feel safe.
I will be a part of making my school no place for hate. I will make my school no place for hate. Great job, friends. We have three birthdays today. Happy birthday to Angel G in 5th grade, Joseph L in 4th grade, and Maria R in 2nd grade. We hope you have a lovely birthday. Today is Let It Snow Thursday. Tomorrow is Candy Cane Friday. And we do have a special announcement for teachers from Ms. Sims. If you would like to help out with our Jingle All the Way program, there will be a virtual meeting this afternoon after duty at about 3:30. Just get on the Waze Classroom Google Meets for all of the staff and faculty that would like to help with the Jingle All the Way. The character education themes for the month of December are honesty and integrity. To know about someone's integrity, Malcolm Forbes says, you can easily judge the character of a man by how he treats those who can do nothing for him. All right, friends, with something to think about, this is Mrs. Marsh saying make it a great day or not.
The choice is yours!
That's right. My fault. Actually, yours is yours. everybody to make it a terrific Thursday. And I do hear that the school elf, Sparkle, is on the move. So if you do spot Sparkle, make sure you give her, make sure you give the elf a big wave.
Wait, that was probably the one that. Yeah, Sparkle was at the library.